Good day friends, namaskar dosto, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, kaisa hai, keep you? Welcome to my channel, Your Property Explorer, the one-stop shop for all property solutions. Well, I've explored another one today at Panvel. Yes, I'm referring to this beautiful 4 BHK flat right around me. Let me just go and give you a first-hand experience. Go and do the honors, my handy cameraman beneath. Highly appreciate you shooting all these lovely videos. Yes, oodles of space. Just look at the size. This is almost 2,000 square feet carpet area. Has a massive living, a massive balcony overlooking the beautiful Shadri range of mountains. Definitely the expressway, and this is located at the famous Hiranandani complex, spread out in 700 acres, 2,500 flats already constructed and delivered. So yes, that's the kitchen. Again, has a balcony or a dry area, as you may call it. There is the first bedroom on the left hand side, which has a common bathroom. This is the children's bedroom. On the right hand side is the utility area. Then comes the common bath and loo. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's a brand new flat, so no lights around. I mean, no bulbs and fixtures. That's the second bedroom. Definitely having an attached bath and loo, which I'm not going to record because they're all the same. And on the other side of this massive living, first on the right is the third bedroom, or you could call it a study, 3 BHK with a study, or you could call it a 4 BHK. And finally, the master bedroom. The master bedroom looks like it's like almost 400 plus square feet. As usual, has an attached bath, loo. Just look at those massive windows and the beautiful, awesome view. Let me just get that for you. Yeah, because as I said, they're all the same. You really don't need to shoot the bathrooms and loos, but yeah, just in case. And as I said, this flat is brand new because the complex is brand new. The complex has all the amenities, a beautiful podium, manicured lawns, a jogging area, a temple, a beautiful clubhouse with all the bells and whistles, and finally the massive balcony. So, well, I guess we kind of done with this property. For further details, terms, conditions, prices, services, any kind of services related to real estate, whether it's a land transfer or a flat transfer, call me, text me, WhatsApp me. Highly appreciate you guys watching my videos. And until the next time that we meet, all I'd like to say is peace, shalom, shanti, salam. The our planet and country definitely needed. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you so much.